On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have with the WhatsApp call. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have easily and fast. So, all what you wanna do first is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, click on WhatsApp. Now this is the app informations page. As you can see, all what you want to do here is click on this option and then click on notifications management, disable the notifications and enable them again. Go back, click on power usage details, go to the power consumption alert and enable it. Make sure that it's enabled. Go down here, click on this force stop. Last thing you want to do is make sure to update your WhatsApp in the App Store or the Play Store. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.